Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is July the 28th and I'm using my new MACD trader system. Now when you get a signal from the MACD indicator here, you'll get a audio alert and a pop-up box. It'll tell you the time, whether you're buying or selling, and the instrument. Now you're going to get a lot of trades, as you can see. Many trades. Now it doesn't mean that you're going to take every trade, but it draws your attention to the instrument and whether you want to be trading it. Now of course you should be having a daily trade plan, and at where this vertical line is, at 6 o'clock in the morning, I am putting together my daily trade plan. Now, this MACD, along with this goal line and this goal line, the TZ, especially the TZ indicator here, this is great for finding the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now, this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. Now there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time. You need a lot of demo trading. You need a lot of education. I provide the education. And you need a daily trade plan. Now you should be buying more education every 2 to 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now, as I mentioned, you really should have a daily trade plan. You can take a look at that one for today. Here it is here. Daily trade plan for July the 28th. And there were some preferred trades here on these euros. You can put this on pause and you can look. I could have traded more, but I was okay with the 5 that I did do. They all went in the direction of my daily trade plan. Now, 1 or 2 of them went a bit against me, not a big deal. I just knew once it hit the area, I believe it was support, it would hook around, come back up and go back in my favor. But that's the way trading goes. So now we can move forward and run a check. So there's the arrow directly from the daily trade plan. Qualifies on this pound dollar, qualifies for a great way to trade. So let's see where I got in at. Here we go, right around 6. I took some of these trades at different times as I was waiting for things to line up a little bit better. Should have got out over here, but as usual, there's always distractions around the house. But I ended up closing out the trade being happy. Well, has to be 19 because it pays $10. A pip, as the USD is on the right hand side. So 19 pips times $10 times 10 lots paid out $1,900. Moving on to the next trade, the Euro Yen. Another one qualified for a great way to trade. There's the arrow. Wanted to be selling it. Now this arrow I manually put in myself. And if you look a little to the left, the MACD said to sell right there. It was the last arrow. That's what you're looking for. Look to the left and see the last arrow, and that's telling you the direction it's going. So that's what I love about the MACD. So let's see where I got in at the. It did a move down from London, then it went sideways and it gave another push. And that push happened to be about 66 pips. And those 66 paid out $4,898. Okay, let's move on to the pound yen. Another one that dropped, qualified for a great way to trade. There's the arrow from my daily trade plan. Remember, you have to have a daily trade plan. And there was the signal down at the bottom, all the indicators, everything saying to sell. That's what I was waiting for. And looks like I closed out this one with about let's see, 103 That's not too bad for the pound yen. 103 pips. Ended up paying out $7,646. Okay, moving on to the Dow Jones. Now this one pays $5 a tick. Now this one mostly went sideways and then it jumped around. You got to be aware of the opening bell, which is right here, 9:30 a.m. So it did a spike down, but the overall, like I said in my trade plan, I wanted to be looking to buy, and so I jumped the gun a little bit quicker. I knew it was going to go up. As it was starting to go up, it decided to pull this trick on me. But that's the way trading goes, and there's not much you can do about it. But as long as you have a good daily trade plan, well, not a big deal. And I knew it was going to go up once it's done the cycle. So I took the money, divided it by 5, and that gave me a number which is 158. So let's see if I can show 158. And looks like it's giving me a hard time, but I'm pretty close to the 158. Well, but anyhow, it shows 159, but it is truly 158 ticks, and those 158 ticks times $5 times 10 lots paid out $7,900. Moving on to the last trade, gold, which pays $10 a tick. Let's see where I got in first of all. It's going mostly flat, but eventually the bulls kicked in right around here. Started here, and away it went eventually. And looking at the money, I know it's $10 a tick, so that should be 112. So let's see. There it is right there. You remove the last digit, so it's 112 ticks. Times $10 times 10 lots paid out $11,200. Trading is easy and a lot of fun using my MACD trader system. So if your system, well, it's not producing, well, you should know what to do by now. But let's add up all the pips and the ticks. And that's exactly what I just finished doing. I added up all the pips and ticks, and I'm always happy with 200 or more, and today was well over 400. I knew it was going to be over 300 just looking at the money. So today's total was 458 pips and ticks, and those 458 ticks paid $33,544. So if your system is not producing like my MACD trader, well, I recommend you get your hands on it. Now if you want to get some more information, all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see this MACD trader system, this information. I do charge $250 for it. I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. Now my system has over 3 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Included are 2 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. This is just all bonus material. As I mentioned earlier, you're going to need a lot of education. So, there's a lot of ways to trade the markets. I do teach a lot of different ways. That's why I made 22 training videos about 30 minutes long each. Now you can put this video on pause, read all the different ways here to trade the markets. Now if you have any questions, simple, just pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. And of course, if you live too far, well, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. I want to make sure you send it to me. Now, I really do prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link. As long as you have Windows 10, we will automatically have a Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I'll answer your questions. I'll give you some tips and tricks. Please keep in mind that I do all of that with no obligation to you. So, looks like it's time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, hopefully it'll be tomorrow, providing there's no distractions. I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.